I just wanted to make a quick video about this app that I built for the fantasy draft. Um, so we got it here on a local host, calling it DraftGenie. So I put, and you could draft from any position. It's sort of like individual team facing. So you put in your name and you tell it your draft position. We got me out of the 12 teams. I should be able to update it so that we get every team's actual name so that we can track it later. And then we have local data persisting in the background so I can show you where we're at right now. So this is all of the rounds so far. Last pick was Colin, DeAndre Swift. So I'm just entering these manually. And then we got my team specifically. And it's telling me if I have all the players that I want, or the positions, I mean. And then I have to go in manually, so this is taking a little bit of time, but it's not that bad. And then tell it what everybody else is picking, and then um, and then the whole time, it's kind of like this. What do they call it? Draft Wizard on Fantasy Pros, where they pretty much just tell you who the next best pick is for anyone. I'm trying to make it a little bit more personalized so that it's really just for the specific team that's using it. So it can be sort of strategizing, well, who's going to be kind of like how in Sleeper you have this line, the projected pick line, something like that, where it would give you an idea of like who do you expect to be available by the next time that you're picking. But so I have my strategy. You can edit your strategy, and that will change. It will change the AI analysis. So we'll save that, lock that in. I have my OpenAI API key, which you shouldn't be able to see, but it was only the beginning of it. Um, so that way anybody can run this app and they can use their own OpenAI API key. They don't have to use mine, so I don't have to charge them for it. I could just, like hard code mine into it and then charge people to use the app with the tokens, or I could just open it up to them and be like, hey, make an account on OpenAI and get the free API key, um, and just charge it yourself like that. But yeah, so this is using OpenAI to give me sort of I want to fix the formatting here because this is supposed to be like bulleted letters, but it's just kind of in a paragraph. But you can see the options that it's giving me for based on these principles that I gave it. Then it has more of a just sort of a numerical algorithm going here. It's a bit less detailed. This is what is there regardless of if you have the API key put in or not. But when you do have the API key, it's giving you more sort of dynamic suggestions, um, and strategic insights. So it's pretty cool. Kind of a fun little MVP that I whipped up in a day. But not much going on with the UI here. I'm just using Streamlit UI, which is a Python library. Added a little bit of CSS, but I'll probably would refactor the whole thing and just pull out the entire front end, replace the Streamlit UI with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Make something that looks nicer than this. But yeah, as far as an MVP goes, kind of pretty cool. Fun thing that I whipped up in just a couple of hours yesterday leading up to the draft. All right.